and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To make a poll, open your WhatsApp and open an existing conversation on your WhatsApp. Now tap on plus sign in the bottom left corner. Select poll. Now type in the question you want to ask. Below, type in options as answers to your question. And dragging them up or down. If you would like the participants to select more than one options, tap on the toggle at the bottom to allow multiple answers. But if you want them to select only one answer, you can toggle that off. When you're ready, tap on send to send your poll on the WhatsApp chat. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Instant Nerd.